What's up, guys? Where's the camera? Right over there. Hope you guys are having a great day. It is Friday, guys. Once again, it is my day off, and right there, Miss Jessie's day off today. So you know what? We are actually going to do an alien ride, aka electric ride, with our electric scooters, with photographer actually, and TJ, his brother. And I want you guys to come along. Yeah, I hope the weather holds up though. Look at that. It is overcast, and it was actually drizzling earlier. But yeah, guys, we just we got to get out more, especially on our day off. Got to get my hair cut, guys. Check it out. Oh my goodness. That's why I'm wearing this hat, just to hide my bush. I am vlogging with my camera. Uh-oh, it is starting to drizzle. Come on, weather. Hold up just a little bit. So we're gonna pick up photographer and TJ. They're gonna use their bikes. I am just trying to heal my sciatica, guys, and I know I can't ride a bike because just sitting on my bike's just sitting on my bike is just gonna make it worse, and I know that because last week I went riding with Brian, guys, and oh my god, I just aggravated it to the max, guys. So you know what, I'm just gonna relax. I did some exercises last night over at the gym, so I think I got my cardio. I'm breathing a little bit hard because just loaded up those heavy scooters, but yeah, there's Jess over there. Yeah, okay guys, let's go. I got the GoPro, so hopefully I can get some good shots. All right. Or at least slow down, right? Damn.
I would be like, I'm on the guy. I'd be like, good for you.
Damn. One hand action. Woo! Hey, Jimmy. Jimmy! I get plenty of doo-doo over here. Holy! Go sit down again, Jess.